In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and format an email using Microsoft Outlook with a focus on the strike-through feature. This is a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your email communication by allowing you to visually indicate changes or cancellations in your text. So let's dive in and explore how we can do this step by step. First, begin by opening your Microsoft Outlook application. If you're using your web browser, navigate to Outlook's official website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with your inbox dashboard, where you can access all your emails, calendar, and a host of other features that Outlook offers. Now we'll move on to creating a new email. Look towards the top left of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open up a blank email template where you can start composing your message. In this window, you'll see various fields including to, CC, and subject. Fill these areas with the recipient's email address and the subject of your email, respectively. With that settled, move to the main body of the email where you can type out your message. Begin writing your email exactly as you want your recipient to see it. Whether it's a formal business outreach or a casual note to a friend, start with your greeting, body text, and conclude with your signature. Once you have your message ready, it's time to explore the format options to enhance clarity or add emphasis. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on Format Text. This is your go-to panel for all things related to text presentation. You will notice various formatting options such as font type, themes, bold, italics, underline, and more. For this guide, our focus is on the strike-through feature. This can be incredibly useful for indicating edits, suggesting alternatives, or showing actioned items in a list. To apply strike-through, simply highlight the portion of your text that you want to cross out. Then, look just beside the underline icon in the Format bar where you will find the strike-through button. Click on it and you'll notice a line appearing through your selected text. This visual change helps in easily communicating your point or acknowledging changes without removing the original content. Once you are satisfied with your email's appearance and content, review everything to ensure accuracy and clarity. This is always a good habit to prevent any miscommunication or undue errors. After that, you are all set. Simply press the Send button, and your formatted email will be on its way to the recipient. And there you have it. You've successfully composed and sent a strike-through formatted email using Microsoft Outlook. Remember, these small formatting tools can make a significant difference in how your message is perceived. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other formatting options to make your future emails even more effective.